Yo, what's up everybody? April 8, 2024. Today is 318 days in on the road. Did everyone check out that total eclipse? I got a video I did. Check it out right here. All right guys, April 8, 2024. Total eclipse is about to happen right now. Got it. Check it out guys. Look at it.
Hey, we're at Totally 80s Pizza.
Dude, 80s, baby. Dude, check it out. It's Pee Wee's Spike.
Look at Oscar.
Wait, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Oh, look it. It's Max. On top of the table, it's a Mario question mark.
I got 6 twists of garlic bread twist.
Pepperoni.
Climbers right here.
Everything you got. Totally 80s pizza.
All right, what do you guys think of that place?
Fun, cool, retro. Can you please like and subscribe if you can't? Put the bald emoji. Put the bald emoji. But if you can't do those either, just watch our videos because it helps us a lot. Bye.